Two Canadians die in a tragic moose accident and wind up in hell. Satan, curious to see their agony, pays them a visit. But he sees them happy, drinking Tim Hortons coffee and chatting cheerfully. "Why are you so comfortable?" Satan growls. "Honestly," they say, "after living through so many Canadian winters, this feels like a tropical vacation to us." Furious, Satan storms off to the furnace room and cranks the heat up. He returns expecting the Canadians to be begging for mercy, only to find them sunbathing in lawn chairs and cooking hot dogs on the barbecue. "This is the perfect weather for a cookout," one shouts. Fuming, Satan storms back to the control room and does the unthinkable. He freezes hell solid. Icicles are hanging from the ceiling and everything. Confident he has finally broke the Canadians, he stomps back up to their room. But he finds the Canadians high-fiving and cheering. "What now?" Satan howls. They look at him, eyes wide with joy. Hell is finally frozen over. That means the Leafs have finally won the Stanley Cup. You're welcome. I just had some leftover pasta on there from last night's supper. I was eating it while I wait for my eggs to cook. All right, so our furniture has arrived and I'm so excited to show you guys. It looks really good and we are super happy with our purchases. Again, we got a really sweet deal on them. The chair that I put upstairs in Sam's nursery was a floor model, so we got a good deal on it. And the lazy boy that's going to be downstairs here in this living room area by the fireplace, it was another floor model, so really good deal on it. And then the furniture upstairs, the two couches, was buy one, get one 60% off. So it worked out really sweet too. We got some really great deals. We're just super stoked and I can't wait to show you guys because I love it. Let's go see. Here's our new couch. The basement one anyway, which is the recliner. Looks good. She likes it. Do you like it? Do you like the new couch? Yeah? Oh, that's a nice couch. All right, so we set it up a little better and we really like it. So the wood stove there, that's the new couch right there. It looks good. That's our chair we've had for like 11 years. And then our couch we brought from the last place. So here's a different angle. And there's the door heading to the garage. Looks pretty cool. Mr. Build It here. Oh, you're actually screwing something in. You're looking at me so weird. You're an actual freak. Couch looks good though. All right, so we got the furniture all together in the upstairs living room and we love it. It looks so pretty.
What do you say?
All right, at least this is now piled full. The rest will go in the back shed. Having the garage here has been such a blessing because we bring stuff over from storage and then we dump it in the garage, and as we have time we bring it in the house, organize it, set it up, and then bring another load over. So we still have probably 2 or 3 more loads to get out of the storage container. We only had the U-Haul for, I think it was 2 days we had it for. You know, you have to pay to rent those and then the mileage and everything. So we just did as much as we could in 2 days and kind of threw it in the garage, and then the garage was like super packed. So we returned the U-Haul, and since then we've been kind of unpacking the garage into the house, and then just we've done maybe 2 loads with the truck so far. So there's still quite a bit more. There's a lot of stuff, but it's all right. And I like this so much better because it keeps all the clutter out of the house. It's just kind of in here. We'll bring like 1 or 2 boxes in at a time, or a piece of furniture. Like all the bedrooms are set up. So we brought like the big things of furniture over when we had the U-Haul and then set them up in the bedroom. So all the bed frames and stuff, and the baby's room and all that stuff. So in here's more just like boxes and then some outdoor stuff. I think really what's left in the storage unit is maybe decorations for like different seasons. Like I have Easter and then I have fall, and most of my Christmas I think is here, and it's stored under the stairs, which is super awesome to have that as a storage area. And then we have a whole bunch of tools, so we need to get them here and then into the shed and stuff. But it's really awesome and I love having this. I'm gonna go do another load probably today at the storage unit. But we've also been it's been really nice for Sam being close to her new homeschool network. So she's had a couple play dates already, and today another little girl's coming over, and it's really nice. So this is like a new group of kids that we've got to know over the last year or so, and it's been such a long drive to do the homeschool group stuff. So we would come down for that, but there was never really like any play dates after or before or during the week because we just lived too far away. It wasn't really convenient for anyone. But now that we're closer, she's having all these play dates and getting to know the kids individually, which has been really nice for her to really build a connection with some new friends and that are other homeschooled children as well, that are a part of our church too. So that's really big. They go to the same church as us, and they're all homeschooled, and they're just a bunch of really nice little girls. So we're super happy about that. I don't know if on another note, I don't know if I've showed you much of the backyard or the shed, but so you saw we just unpacked a whole bunch of the firewood that we bought, and we put it right on the shelf here in the garage right by the basement door. We also have a wood shed and then like a normal kind of tool shed or storage shed. So I'm going to show you them because we did put a little bit of wood in the wood shed, and I have to bring a few things over to the storage shed because in here, like I said, we bring it from storage, we dump it in here, and then I kind of have to organize what goes outside, what stays in, what goes in the house, like that sort of thing. So there's a few things I think I'll run over into that shed today, and yeah, let's do that. All right, so here's the shed, and then there is the wood shed. So those tarps are just kind of over around the sides, I mean for winter to keep the snow off of everything, but the rest of the year we can take them off, so I think we're probably going to, and then you let the wood air out and stuff. So come have a peek inside them. They're really nice. Good condition, I mean, for what they are. Like they're nice, clean. Jeremy had a cigar in here with his cousin the other day. But I gotta bring some more stuff in. So even things like this, like the coolers that are in the garage, can come and be stored in here. That's our sled, toboggan. But it's pretty empty. I gotta get some things in here for sure. And here's the wood shed. So right up here is like some kindling. And then here's the rest of that wood that we ordered and we're stacking in the garage. This is the rest of it. So we'll take these tarps down and let the breeze like blow through here for the spring and the fall. And yeah, that'll be really great. It'll help dry out the wood. Also, don't know if we showed you, but we have a fire pit, which is super awesome. Love that. We're gonna have to have a fire one of these days. We haven't had a chance to yet. Then over here, look at this. So they had these fences around some gardens because there's a lot of deer here, and they'll just eat up everything. They'll eat up your garden, but we took them down and we're gonna use it as a chicken coop. Look at this one. It's like full square and even has a door on it already. So we're gonna make that a chicken coop, and then we're gonna add this to be a run. So it worked out perfect. Our front yard looks way better not having it there, and it's a bonus chicken coop and chicken run almost done for us. So we just have to like set it up and organize it the way we want to. So it's pretty cool. I love it. All right, this is a spare room downstairs, and it's kind of become a bit of a dumping ground because I ordered the mattress. And have been waiting for the bed frame to arrive, and now it's here. So I better build the bed frame, get the mattress on the bed so that I can make it instead of just dumping things on top of it, like my blankets and pillows that are there, but not like organized. So what are you doing? So I'm trying to get everything out of the box and hopefully start building it in this room. If I have space, I may have to just like flip the mattress up. We'll see. What are you doing, weird dog? So many pieces. Always building something, aren't I? I'm slowly getting it done. Everything takes a while, especially with a baby, because when she's awake, she usually wants to be held by me or somewhere near me, and then I don't really want her in here while I'm trying to work on this. There's just too much stuff around and don't want her to get hurt. And then when she's napping, I'm usually trying to organize or unpack more stuff, so it's been like a really slow process. And right now I just got back from a massage. So yesterday just didn't work out. We had doctor's appointments and stuff we had to go to, and that took, you know, some time. But now so we did that yesterday, then today I just had a massage. I was just gonna start this and I literally hear her on her baby monitor waking up. So I will get this done one day. This bed will get built one day, just not sure when. Like I said, everything is a very slow process, but I got the frame like up. Now I built this section, I just need to build the next one, and it looks like it's gonna go right underneath in the middle here, and then I'll put like the poles on it, and then you lay the mattress on that. So like super soon, in the next day or two, I really hope I can have this done, fingers crossed. And yeah, lay the bed on it. I'll go get her, and then hopefully I'll be back in here soon. All right, so it's 8 o'clock at night now, and she's finally in bed, I think, for the night. So I am going to get this bed done, I hope. Wish me luck. But really, there's no reason. It's 8 o'clock. I still can stay up another hour or two, and she's sound asleep, so. I just have to make it. Looks pretty good though. It's so nice having a spare room and a spare bed set up. It's awesome. So if anyone needs to crash here at any point, we have it ready. So it's pretty cool. I love it. And I'm also going to turn this space into like a kids area. So it'll be the spare room. It'll also be where some of Sam and Adriana's toys are, so they could come and hang out in here and have some toys Over here I already have a couple of bins with like Sam's arts and crafts stuff. I have the globe there. I have another chest. It's like a big wooden chest. I think I'll bring it in and set it down here as well, and we'll fill it with toys and books and stuff for the kids to just kind of store in this room. So that's cool.